All right. Hello, you trader nerds. Welcome in to the Sweet Bobby and the Trader Nerd community where we never trade alone. We trade with our fellow nerds. And y'all, this is our last trading day of the year. I was just looking at my first video that I ever posted on YouTube for Sweet Bobby. It was December the 22nd in the year of our Lord, 2020. We have been doing this for 3 years. And I would not be here without y'all liking and subscribing to the YouTube channel and going into the Discord channel and joining and becoming part of our trading family. Hats off to all of you for being a part of my trading family. You have kept me accountable. Now, a lot of people will watch our videos and go, oh my God, this is horrible. It ain't for you, friend. It's for me. Y'all keep me accountable. I am an undisciplined human being. I don't know how to trade and not lose money unless I'm in front of y'all adhering to the rules. So you have got to have a written trading plan for 2024. Look in the comments below. My trading plan is there. It is for you. It is for you. Absolutely free. My spreadsheet, brand new 2024 spreadsheet, will be available today. Do not buy it until I have made an announcement that it is live. Don't buy it yet. But if you are in the Discord, I will be posting it later today. Okay. And I'll try to get it on the YouTube channel. If y'all want to purchase it just outright and don't want to join the Discord, I understand that you want a brand new spreadsheet ready to go. We will do Monday, getting our new spreadsheet up and going, show you how to do it. So we'll do that in our regular thing. We got a Muscadine Mafia session and a Hello Ladies game today. After the session, we'll be talking about how many Black Swan hedges you need per unit of 112 trades. Y'all, I was just listening to an interview, and the average hedge fund this year is up 5%. The average hedge fund is up 5%. Y'all, we are up 18% on our best account and above 5% on all the other accounts, even our IRA accounts. We, you, and I, even though we made mistakes this year, we did the triple nipple donkey. We got our things all out of line. We calendarized. We diagonalized. We did all kinds of stuff that we shouldn't have done. And we beat the majority of hedge funds out there. And the year before, when the market was down 20%, our 112 plan was up 24%. Ladies and gentlemen, I, the Sweet Bobby, am of the opinion that the 112 combined, yeah, you were there, Matt Jolly Wally. You were one of the very first, probably 2 or 3 that was in there. And let's see, Dwayne was in there. Dwayne never talks, y'all. Dwayne is just quiet, and y'all probably never even realized Dwayne is here. Dwayne Coney, he was there probably from the very beginning as well. Ken was there. Rick was very early to the party. So all of y'all, I appreciate all of you. And, 3 years we've been here. It's amazing, y'all. And yes, do I make a fortune on YouTube? Yes, I do. As a matter of fact, this month, ladies and gentlemen, my YouTube channel is making, y'all ready for this? $130 this month.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Y'all know what that is for me? That is cha-ching, Rob. Exactly. That is me going to Ruby Tuesdays or to Applebee's twice with my family. That's what that is. Yes, $130. I don't know, maybe 1.5 times. So thank y'all, thank y'all, thank y'all. I cannot. Yeah, man, we were bullish on DraftKings. We used to trade all kind of stocks because I was trying to impress y'all. Oh man, we got a busy day today. We got so much to do. Let's look at the markets. The market is down on the last trading day of the year, down 0.36%, down 0.37%. Oh, behave. And on zero volume. Ladies and gentlemen, be careful. You zero DTEers. This is dangerous. On low volume and us down 0.36%, you could see a much bigger move to the downside today. Be very careful. The VIX is at 12.6. The AD is negative 269. It could go down a lot more. So let's see what the big green monster says. What did I tell y'all? I told y'all that we had a double top here, right? And I told you that we would probably go up just a little bit. I told you that we would come down to these little areas, pockets of here. What have we done? We explored the pocket. Now, the next time that we go up here, we will probably bust through and we will end up going into the new fair value zone up above, but I haven't drawn it yet. We will draw that on Monday. So, y'all, I'm telling you, this tells us all we need to know about market direction, does it not? All right, so that's it. So let's go and trade our counts today. That's about all the prognostication we need to do. Oh, and also, we will draw the big green monster for the entire year on Tuesday. And that will allow us to enter Tasty Trades competition of predict where the market will be for each quarter. Okay. So we should be able to do some type of prognostication. Now, the problem is that means a lot of us will have to split the money when we win it, because I got a feeling we're going to win it with our big green monster, y'all. So we'll be able to enter Tasty Trade. They're going to be like, there's like 70 people that have all guessed the same exact number. So we'll have to split it 70 ways when we make the money. All right, where was I? Let's start off with the Crimson account. The Crimson account, y'all. Let's see how we're doing for the very last trading day of the year. We are at 21,090. 21,090. All right, let's go put that in our pipe and smoke it. 21,090. 090. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Dag nabbit, we almost made 18%. I will take it, y'all. And with all of the crazy stuff that we did this year, we made $5,003 with all the mistakes, y'all. That is golden. The plan next year is to trade our plan and not change our plan at all. The plan is set. I don't care what kind of research we come out with. I ain't changing it next year. I'm not making a change to the plan. The plan is as the plan is. Our Greeks and ratios today are, oh, and y'all, if you cannot message me on Matt Jollywally had a problem with it, and he couldn't even message me, and I couldn't message him on Discord, and we had to friend each other first. I don't know why Discord started doing that. So anyway, y'all just be careful with that. Send me a friend request on Discord, okay? Or on Facebook, Sweet Bobby, whatever. So we are at 2216. 2216, baby. 2216. Let's put that in here. And we got some work to do today, y'all. Got a lot of stuff to do. If you get bored with it, I'm sorry. We're at 12.60 on the VIX. Our buying power is a measly 5,900. 5,900. Let's put that in. All right, so we're at 27%, a little much there. We're a little blue there. Remember, the trading plan says if you're blue here, even though you're red here, you can put on a new trade. Now, do I want to put on a new trade? Because do I have a black swan hedge over here? That's an interesting thing. Okay, so I've got a black swan hedge 1 and 2. So I've got, I started a black swan hedge. I've got 20 loans. And then apparently I went out and sold an additional 3 puts. So today would be a great day to sell puts, but I can't sell puts. Now, this means, and I'm just double checking, y'all, running you through the black swan hedge, because you have to think about this. You can't just let this thing go. So that means I should have an order to close these shorts at 20 cents. And I also should have a order to put in long. So let's see if I've got 2 orders over here working. Okay, working orders. So I've got indeed an order to close these at 20 cents. And I've also got an order to buy 5 longs at $1.35. So today the market is down about 0.4%. If I had not already sold an additional 3, I would probably sell another 3 here today, but there's no need to do that. Okay. And I don't think I'm going to put on any additional trades today, because remember, the black swan hedge will what? It will show you negative delta and negative theta. So really, if we are to believe that, now I do have one in here or something in here. Got a something in here. this negative theta is fake. So I really have like 30 theta, okay? And 30 theta would be plenty. So remember, we got to take that into consideration. So you don't just go, oh, hell, I got all this, my theta's low. Well, it's because your black swan hedge. So don't go in and put in too much risk. Okay. You got to kind of monitor that. Got to think about that. All right, let's go to the next account. So let's just close this. Close that down. All right, let's go to the tasty account. Let's see those. Let me hide my thing so some rogue person on you, not y'all in Discord, but y'all on YouTube might just try to steal my stuff. We don't want to do that. So let's see what the next account looks like. The old freehand account. The freehand account is this account, the Bobby account. That doesn't look right. 4208. There, that looks like $42,018. And ain't she a thing of beauty? Look at that. Market goes up, we don't care. Market goes down, cha-ching, baby. 42,026. Racket, Jack. 42,026. Praise the Lord Jesus. 026. Fire up the band, Rico. Yes, hallelujah. Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry, I don't track trades in this account. I started to say, God, I got to close a lot of stuff. I didn't look in the other one if I needed to close anything. We'll just pretend I did. All right, so now let's go get our Greeks and ratios out of this account. If I can remember which account it is. We got so many now that we trade. This one. So remember, our things are muted here as well, right? Because we've got 8 and 9 because we've got a black swan hedge here. So 8 and 9. Let's put that in. 8 and 9. 8 and 9. And then we got to go in and figure out our buying power. So let's make sure we've only clicking on this one. Yep. And so we got a lot of bill in here. So we got to just track our ES and MES trades. And that's only using up $3,800 worth of capital. So let's put that in, $3,800. 3,800. And the VIX is at 12. Okay. So green, remember, the theta is fake on the black swan hedge if we believe Mr. Bertino, one of my very best personal friends. Not because he don't like me. So let's look at that and see what our black swan hedge is over here. So over here, we've got a 111, and then we've got a 1220. Y'all see that? 1220. So we got a 222 in the ES, and then we've got a 1220. Y'all, the market is down about 0.4% or so. Let's go back to the chart today. Yeah, it's down 0.37%. Remember what the plan says. If the market goes down 0.3%, you and I can sell another black swan hedge. Oh, behave. Let me just look at my working orders over here too. Yep. So we're harvesting so we can go out and we can sell an additional 3 puts somewhere. All right. So let's do that. Y'all ready? So let's go here and let's go to ES. Remember, that's what we do in ES. And we're able to go out. Now, remember, we already have some in this 112 day scenario. We've got a 112 over here. Ron Bertino, and we're just keeping it straight like Ron taught it, even though Ron is pissed off at me for teaching y'all, because y'all are not paying me thousands upon thousands of dollars to teach you the black swan hedge. He says anywhere above 60, you're fine. So we could go 62, 76, 77. And Uncle Tony likes 90 or more. So let's pay homage to Uncle Tony and let's go out to a 90-day. Now, y'all are going to love this. How do you do a black swan hedge, a new tranche? You go down to something that sells for about $3. So here it is, 320. So let's see if we can get 325, and we'll do 3 of these. Okay, for 325. Uh-oh, I don't have enough buying power. Okay. And the reason is I got to get rid of some bills. So let's see how much this takes. This is going to take $3,900 of buying power. So that's going to be me selling a good bit of bill. This is great that we get to do this, y'all. So y'all remember this. So let's go to bill. Let's go to positions.
What would happen if you bought your longs first?
That's a good question. Let's do that first. All right. So pretend that I'm going to sell. So this brings up another question. I'm not buying the loans, so Hal, remember, we're not buying a full tranche of them, but that's a good question. Notional Ed says 50 shares. Thank you, Notional Ed. Ed, tell everybody how you figured that.
Hey, Bobby. Hey, everyone.
Hey, Ed, tell
Yeah.
everybody how you figured that
You
right off.
basically said you needed 3,900 shares.
Yeah.
I mean, $3,900.
Uh-huh.
And these things are like $91 a share. So I just quickly did the math in my head, and 50 times 90 is like $4,500. You'd have like $600 or $700 extra dollars of cash cushion, which you kind of need for the margin wiggle anyway.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Ed, for doing that.
My pleasure, sir.
I
Anytime.
appreciate that. And don't forget, y'all, Ed has his a new Discord that he's opened up, him and Raging Bull. So y'all make sure to take it out. And Ed and I are not like competitors or anything. Y'all don't think of it like that. It's just a different community. You know, you like be parts of several communities. That's like Tom King is part of our ring. But Tom and I are not competitors. You just go wherever you want to.
Thank you again for that, Bobby.
Yeah. So let's see if we can close 50 shares of this stuff and give us a little bit of, okay, so let's see if this will do it now. So then let's go back to trading the ES. All right, so here was our little thing, right? So we were going to save, we were going to try to get close to 325, quantity 3. Let's see if we've got it's going to let me do a little more, Ed. I got to sell a few more. So let's see. Let's go back to Bill, positions. What do you say? Let's try 25 more. 25. Just for, uh-oh, not 2,500. God, can you imagine being short that many shares of that stuff? Let's do 20.
Bobby, you go ahead and do that, but I'm a little confused. Was your cash balance negative before this?
I don't know. I don't
Click
think
on
so.
BAL, the little blue, yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Does that look good?
I don't know. It says cash negative 100,000.
My option buying power is only 2,900. So I need a little more, don't I?
Well, hang on the phone a sec. Are you
Let's-
trading ES here and you should be trading micros?
No, I want to trade ES.
Well, something weird's going on. That cash should not be a negative 100,000.
Oh, that's crazy right there. Look at that. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
not right.
you need to call Tasty on that one.
Yeah, something's wrong with that. So let's go back to ESC. If it doesn't look like it's going to let me do my little order still. Let's see. Yeah, it still doesn't have buying power. Let's try.
Yeah, because that other one should have covered it.
Yeah.
Honestly, I hate to tell you this. I think I'd pause and call them after session.
I'm gonna sell 25 more and then I'll pause and then we'll call them. Sure enough, because I think you're exactly right. Something's up here. 25. I'm gonna sell 25 just for the heck of it again. See. All right, now let's look at our balance. See what it says here. Yeah, that's crazy. I'm not sure why.
Yeah, something's going on. It's probably a Tasty glitch, but I'd call them.
Yeah. Yeah, I
Hold
agree with
off
you.
on that trade, Kimosabi.
I will hold off on that one. So now let's go to the $450,000 account. Let's see how she's doing. So where did I find that? Right here. Thank you, Ed. All right, so let's go to the $450,000 account.
My pleasure anytime.
Yeah. This is not right. I don't know why that's looking like that, but 459,371. 459,371. So let's see this one. 459,371. 459,371. Doom. Rico.
Moving on up to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Y'all, I am so proud of this little account. And you know, the guy that I'm trading for, my friend that allowed me to trade this account for him, do you know how happy he is? He was just sitting in cash with this account, y'all. And all of a sudden, since November the 2nd, I have made him $9,321. He is happy as a pig at slop. So very, very happy with that. So let's look at our Greeks and ratios over here. And our Greeks and ratios in this one are 237, 235. Look at that. 237, 235. 237, 235. Dix is at 12. And our buying pair over here is, let's see, we got to get right on that account. Let's see, get this. Come here, darn it. Dagnabbit. Dagnabbit. All right, there we go. So buying power over here is 110,617, 672, 110, 672. 110, 672. Okay. So we're using 24% there. We're finally building this up to a nice little number. And remember, we've got to include that negative theta from our thing. And let's see what we've got on over here, y'all. All right. So remember, the new spreadsheet will show you how many longs and shorts and all that kind of stuff that you got, right? So now we have three, let's see if I can keep this up. We have 3 shorts and 8 longs. 3 shorts and 8 longs because we harvested. Remember that we harvested that for 20 cents. So we got 3 shorts and 8 longs. Now, if you want to look quickly, this should tell you too, right? We've got 3 short hedges and 3 long hedges. So what this is telling me is on a day when the market is down 0.4, I'm going to sell 3 more, y'all. I'm just going to do it. So let's see if we got to release some buying power over here to do that. So Ed, help me do the thing over here. Let's check our balance first, make sure we're okay here. Yeah, everything okay here looks good, right? So we might have enough to do it here. So let's see, our buying power over here is option buying power is 26,000. So we'll go to the trade tab and we'll go to ES. And we were going to go to Uncle Tony and go to 90 days right here. What does that mean? I've got a working order here over here. Let's see what my working orders are over here. Working. I've got a working order to fill some loans. Wait a minute. I got a working order to fill some loans, and I've got a something another to do some harvesting. That doesn't seem right. Oh, do I have some oh, I guess I did sell. I was gonna buy some loans under there or something. Okay, I guess I sold another 3. Yeah, I think I can sell another 3 here because I've got only 3 shorts. That's the only shorts I got. And I think I can sell another 3. So let's do that because we'll have 6 shorts and 8 longs. And I just kind of want to keep more longs than shorts, right? So if we'll go to the 90 day and we'll go down to something that's around $3. Here it is. Ta-da! We already got the order in on this one, don't we? So we could go and sell those for $3.15 or so. So let's go in and sell 3 of those. Sell 3 of those at about $3.20. All right, let's see if we got enough buying power to do this. We should. Are you kidding me? By selling 3, it's going to increase my buying. Oh, no, that's credit. It's going to reduce my buying power by $7,789. So the 34.50s. Okay, now you got to say to yourself, hey, wait a minute, Bob. What do you buy those for? Right? That's the question. That's the big question. So let's go back to activity tab. We sold those for, we sold them for $3.20. So let's go bring up the 2024 spreadsheet and I'll show you how this works. So 2024 spreadsheet is this one. This is the one y'all will be getting new today. Check it out. You're going to go to SBH break even and don't use this one at the top. Use this one at the bottom. So I sold 3 for $3.20. Right. I'm going to harvest them for 20. So I got to figure out what I'm going to sell my loans for or buy my loans for so that the whole trade breaks even. What's this? Uh-oh. Why is that not working in this tray? Oh, enable content. I said maybe that'll do it because I know it works. Here we go. So there it is. Ta-da! If you sell them for $3.20 and you harvest them for 20, if I will buy those loans for $1.72, it is nothing gravy, baby. So let's go over back to our little thingamajiggy, $1.72. So let's go to trade. We sold these. So I'm going to put an order in, okay, to buy those for, what did we say, $1.72. And we want to buy 5 of them for 5. And we want to do this as a good till cancel order to buy those at $1.72. Hit review and send. And Erica, cross must be in increments 5. Oh, well, that would help, wouldn't it? So let's do it. Edit order. And we'll do this in 170. There we go. Ta-da! And swing, baby, swing. All right, everybody with me. So we got a working order there. Now, remember, there's a lot of missing prices. Yes. Does your break even on the SBH solver include your costs? Yes. It includes whatever your commissions are, right? You need to put your commissions in on the variables page. And I'll go through all that on Monday when we set up the new spreadsheet. Okay. So now remember, the other step is what? First of all, I want somebody else to tell me what the other step is. Let me give y'all time. What else do I need to do? Got to get y'all in the habit of doing this.
Put in your harvest.
There you go, Hal. Good job. So I just sold these 3. So now I've got to harvest these. So I go, gosh, where's it at? 90. Where are they at? Here you go. So go right click, close position. We want to close the full position. When this gets down to 20 cents, right? And then do a GTC order and review and send. But now you got all these working orders. And the cool thing is, because we trade futures, you'll be sitting there going lullaby and good night. And in the middle of the night, this is when most of these orders fill. And you'll be like, whoa. Now, if either of these orders fill, what do? I immediately go out and I buy an addition or sell an additional 3 or 6, depending on how many shorts and longs that you got. I immediately start the next tranche. You got to keep this thing going, baby. It's like when you have the sourdough bread, you got to keep the sourdough bread. You got to keep putting the yeast in it or feeding it and letting it get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And before long, y'all, we're going to have a dynamic, unbelievably large wall of these things that will protect us regardless of the crash that we have. All we got to do is keep it living. And why did we ever get away from this? I don't know, y'all. I don't know why we stopped doing it. We got too cute. We thought the 112 was it. But I think Tony was right. The 112 combined with the Sweet Bobby Hedge, y'all, I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. Okay? So let's all take a deep breath. We will go into Muscadine Mafia session. I'll post the link in the Muscadine Mafia Discord. And hello, ladies. And we will go in and figure out how many Black Swan hedges we should have per unit of the 112s. All right, y'all. Happy New Year. I'm so excited for the new year. The spreadsheet will be posted later today, both on YouTube, and it will be posted in the Discord group. I love all of you and can't wait to see y'all next year. Bye, y'all.